Yes, what's good? I'm excited. Well, this is just a quick unboxing video. I just picked up a fragrance that I've been wanting to add to my collection for a while. Finally got it in, and I just want to unbox that on camera. I've definitely smelled this before. I heard great things about it before I even got my nose on it, and when I did get to smell it in the store, I was blown away immediately, and I knew I had to add this to my collection. I've been hunting for this to get it at a good price. Finally felt like I found one for a good price, going for a good price. So yeah, that fragrance I'm talking about is YSL's Babycat. This is supposed to be, or not supposed to be because I've smelled it. So this is a dark, resinous vanilla fragrance. And from what I remember, this is very cold weather appropriate. And the weather is getting cold quickly. So yes, I need me a winter banger that can cut through this weather and zing-a-ling-a-ling, if you know what I mean. So yeah, man, let me just quickly get it out of the box. I got my tester strip here, spritz a little bit to remind myself. Oh, there's the bottle. I don't get too hung up on the bottle or the display or whatever, but this is a nice looking bottle. This is my third one from this YSL collection right here. They've got some bangers in this line that I will probably do reviews on individually. I'm gonna do an individual review on this as well once I give it a good wearing, test it out, and all of that good stuff. Let's spray this on. Or spray it, not spray it on. 2 sprays. So let that dry down a bit. I'm already picking it up in the air anyways. I don't really need to put this to my nose. Yeah, opens up quite peppery, spicy. Let me look up the notes real quick. Let me look at the notes and see if they correlate with what I'm picking up right now. But straight up, it opens up very spicy. You pick up sort of like a leathery nuance in the base as well. So that's what's giving it that darkness. Well, this is according to Fragrantica. I don't know if this is accurate, but I'm definitely picking up some of these notes. Black and pink pepper, black pepper, pink pepper, all of this is in the top notes. Mid notes now, you got olibanum, saffron. I'm picking up that saffron as well for sure. Bourbon, vanilla, suede, and cedar. Yeah, so that leathery nuance is probably the suede. And it's nice, it's elegant, it's smooth. Yes, that vanilla is coming in now. This is a really nice fragrance. Like I said, I've smelled this before. This was just to remind myself. It blew me away. First time I smelled it, it blew me away immediately, and I knew I had to get it. So yeah, got this in now. I'm gonna test this out in the cold weather. There's coming upon us. We're going into the depths of winter now. So yeah, I'm gonna get to give this a good wearing and possibly do a review on it when the time comes. That's me. That's my time, peoples. I don't wanna make this longer than it's supposed to be. It was just meant to be a quick unboxing, quick, I guess, second impression. And yeah, that's it. If you like what you just watched, like, subscribe, all of that good YouTube stuff. And yeah, let me know if you own this fragrance. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. If you like it, if you hate it, holla at your boy. Peace.